Sparks are always flying in the welding program because the mission of this course is to prepare students for careers as welders, cutters, solderers, and brazers. This high demand program seeks to fill workforce needs in the fabrication, repair, and construction industries. This program will teach you how to read and interpret drawings and welding symbols, intermediate oxyfuel gas cutting practices, plasma arc cutting principles, basic shielded metal arc welding, and carbon arc gouging principles. In 11 months, or 1,050 hours of instructional time, students are prepared to take the American Welding Society certification test and enter the workforce with a certification that can take them anywhere across the globe. If you would like to learn more about the Welding Technology Program, contact us at myptc.edu.